Hi, I wanted to do a quick video on one of my favorite tinted SPFs that's matte. It's an SPF 50 by Mychelle. It's only $25. It's like a 16% zinc, so it's great for everyone. It's just a mineral sunblock, so acne, rosacea. It comes in the nude and a darker shade and clear. Today I have it on both colors mixed together, but it is matte. So if you're looking for something that's matte and say maybe in the summer you want the matte, in the winter you need more hydration, you can mix it with your moisturizer or apply it to like a wet skin, say like with your hyaluronic serum or one of your toners that's hydrating in essence water, and then apply it. It won't be as matte, so then you can continue to use it all year round. It's a multi-use product, but I highly recommend this. And it's only $25. So, and it's a mineral sunblock, so you can't get any better than that. So acne, rosacea, sensitive skin, I've found it to be really good for my clients, and I love it. Has good coverage, and give it a try.